呢80%的机器都用了空压器啊，比如说我们的宽带砂光机啊、平板机啊，还有那个握速带锯机啊，这是工厂里面用了最多气量的几台机器啊。
Okay, so Zhang Gong said in the furniture factory, there are more than 80% the machinery need to use the compressed air. For example, the cutting machine, right? And the air corner, right? And also they will use the compressed air to fix the wood and also cutting the wood.
Yes.
So this is the mini function for the furniture factory.
Yes. As well, the question number 2 is, now I noticed that you are choosing the VSD type compressor. May I know the reason? 为什么会选用这个变频空压机呢？是
因为变频空压机啊，它有几个优点啊。第一个呢，省电，这是非常关注的啊。
是。
第二个呢，它用起来那个气压比较稳定啊，只要我们设定了这个目标气压还有卸载加压的点，它就能自动跑啊，基本上不怎么用维护啊。第三个呢，就是它启动的时候对电流的冲击比较小，它具有原启动功能啊。
Wow, I think Zhang Gong, it is so professional, right? He is not sell the air compressor, but he know all the cell phone of our air compressor.
Yeah.
So why Hongyuan Group choose the VSD compressor? There are 3 main points. The number 1 is the VSD air compressor can save the electricity cost. So later we will show you how much our air compressor can help their factory save the electricity cost, right? And the number 2 is the constant pressure. Once they set the constant pressure and the air compressor can run according with the pressure, also it can save the energy. And the number 3 is the soft start. When the air compressor is starting, it just consumes a very less electricity, so can protect the factory network.
Yes. So the last question is, how is your feeling after choosing our VSD school air compressor? 就是选用了我们的空压机之后是有什么感受？
这空压机用起来非常方便啊，基本上我们设备这边就不用怎么管啊，就交给生产部去每天开机关机就行了啊。设备这边基本上就是按照2000小时这个小保养就可以了啊。它基本上没什么故障啊，免维护一样啊。
非常好，谢谢。
谢谢。
Zhang Gong said their factory and also their team are very happy with our quality, right?
Very satisfied.
Yes, very satisfied. The air compressor no any problem, and every day they just start it and stop it, and also every 2,000 hours they do the maintenance. That's all. And the air compressor is very stable and can improve their efficiency.
Yeah.
So 我们谢谢张工，也谢谢你对我们的一个支持哈，谢谢你。Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you for Zhang Gong to take a short interview to us. So now how about we going to see our compressor room and see how good and how efficiency, as Zhang Gong said, our compressor running.
Yes. So please, camera, please follow us to the compressor room first.
Yes. So.
加兩個手機先行下。Okay, so now we are in our customer factory. They are the furniture factory, and Mini produce the product is the sauna room, right?
Yes.
Sauna room. So later we will show to our friend what product they are make. And now as you see here, they are put a lot of wood in here. This is wood. I think it is the raw material. It is not before treatment. So later we will go around the factory, and we will show you what's the machine need to use the compressed air. If you are also is the furniture factory, maybe you are using the same machinery, and you can reference how much air capacity and the pressure they should use. And now we are going to our compressor room. They are using is our Olympic Group school air compressor, 37 kilowatt VSD type. So as you see, this is the compressor room. It has the school air compressor, air tank, air dryer, and the line air filter. They purchased the air compressor from us in 2020 in May. So already has the 2 years, almost 2 years using our air compressor. And as you can see, they protect our air compressor in a very good situation. The machine still look good and clean. And they also make the air ducts to remove the hot air. So now we go inside and have a look. So this is the 37 kilowatt, 15 horsepower, and the pressure is 8 bar. Yes, and the capacity is 6.5 cubic meter per minute. Now, I change it to English menu first. So even now it's changing the language. Changing the language.
So for now we introduce as a normal compressor system. We need to have the school air compressor, air tank, and the air dryer, and the line air filter. You can see. So this is the complete set of the school air compressor system. If your M machine has the strict requirement of the pressure dew point, such as -20 degrees centigrade, so you can add 1 desiccant air dryer after our line air filter. But for now, this is the furniture factory, so they no need to the requirement of the pressure dew point. So just can have the school air compressor, air dryer, air tank, and line air filter. As well as the installation notice of the when you get the school air compressor. Firstly, we need to check the school air compressor appearance, and inside there is no damage. And then please read the user menu, which is in the electricity box.
Okay. So now we go to check our controller. Actually, our controller has 2 languages, and in our other series we have more than 12 languages for the controller, right? Not only the Chinese and the English, we also have the Spanish, Russian, Thai language, Japanese, and so on. So if you are interested, you can contact with ourselves for more information. And now we are checking is how much time of this air compressor running. So this is the total running time. Now for this 37 kilowatt air compressor, it is run 5,000 hour, 5,103 hour, and its total power consumption. This is the total power consumption, just 2,474 kilowatt. Okay, so actually, how much we can save? Let us to calculate.
Yes. Now the total running hour is 5,103 hours. And now this one is 37 kilowatt school air compressor. If you are using the fixed-base compressor, you already use about 188,811 in a kilowatt. Translate to RMB. If 1 kilowatt means one RMB. So now this compressor for the fish piece already used 188,811 RMB. But now they are choosing our
VSD.
full air compressor. So now he just used. So now already help our factory save about 186,336 RMB. It's such a big amount.
Yes. So that means in this 2 years, our 37 kilowatt, it's help our Hongyuan Group furniture factory to save 186,000 RMB for the electricity cost. So this is a very huge amount of money, right?
Yeah.
So why every time we recommend our customer to use the VSD air compressor, because it is very energy saving.
Yeah.
Just 2 years, it help our factory, help our user to save 186,000 RMB.
Yes. Yes, you already can purchase a new equipment, right?
Many units.
Yes, many units.
Yes.
So why we still using the fish compressor? I don't understand.
Okay, so if you are interested in our VSD air compressor, please talk with us right now, and also welcome to get our e-catalog for more information.
Yes.
And even also, did you introduce the whole system to our friends?
Yes, already introduced, but maybe we can talk again because now it's some noisy.
Yes, because many friends ask me about, I buy an air compressor, but I don't know how to install it.
Yes.
And also when I install the air compressor system, what should I notice?
Yes.
And what is the standard? I saw the air compressor room, I think it is the standard one.
Yes,
Maybe you introduce more information to our friends.
Yeah, so firstly, for a complete compressor system, we need to have the school air compressor, air tank, air dryer, and line air filter. So this is a completed compressor set. But if some question, some customer, they have a strict requirement for the pressure dew point, such as minus 20 degrees centigrade. So we suggest them to choose to add one desiccant air dryer after our line air filter. So if you have any interest, you can communicate with us. We will give you the energy saving solution to you.
Yes.
As well, when we get the compressor, firstly, we need to do is check the compressor appearance and the inside. There is no damage to ensure you and our running quality. As well, before your operation and installation, please read the user manual before.
Yes.
The user manual is in the electricity board. So you can open this and this and open this door. So you can get the manual book. Because now this machine is in running, so I cannot open it.
Yes.
As well for the installation, many friends want to know this. So I tell to you for the installation. Firstly, we need to ensure the compressor room is no outdoor. You can see no outdoor.
And also they have made this one, the cover, to prevent the rain or the sunshine. Right?
Yes. No outdoor, no explosive, and no flammable and no rental substance. As well as the compressor room need to be clean, no dust. Need to be clean, no dust, and have
Air duct.
yes, and have air dust.
If their roof is very low, we suggest you should install the air duct to remove all the hot air go outside.
Yes.
Because our air compressor should use in the ambient temperature lower than 45 degrees centigrade.
Yes, as well our compressor need to be 1.5 meters distant from the from the wall
Yes.
to the compressor. The ambient temperature for the compressor room is about 0 to 40 degrees centigrade.
Yes.
And
Also about the power system.
Yes, we need to have an individual power system for the compressor only.
Yes.
Yes, as well, make sure the factory power supply voltage is matched with the motor rate voltage. There is one thing, it must have the air tank after the school air compressor. You can see here now the high compression. The air outlet is connected to the air tank. And the air tank and the air capacity of the air receiver tank to be 20% bigger than the free air delivery of the compressor. And for the daily maintenance, we should drink out the water from the air tank daily to ensure our good efficiency of the school air compressor.
Yes. So let us to summarize our compressor room. Actually, even already introduced very detailed, and I think for our furniture factory, we find that their compressor room is very standard.
Yes.
The number one, they use the individual power system for the school air compressor.
Yes.
And the number two, if their roof is very low, they use the air ducts,
Yes.
right? And the number three, it is very good that they collect all the water condenser pipe together to make the area very clean. Of course, because the live show, the time it is very short. If you have any questions about how to install a standard air compressor system, please make a comment or ask our professional sales team at once, because we already produced the air compressor more than 80 years.
Yes.
And even just now we calculate this 37 kilowatt is help our user in 2 years. It saved 186,000 RMB in these 2 years. So maybe you introduce to us why our customers should choose our Olympic CPM school air compressor.
Yes, Olympic CPM school air compressor is the very hot sell product for our company, right? Yes, we already promote it to the market more than 10 years. More than 10 years. And all the price is very good. So firstly, we introduce our compressor first. Number one is super energy saving, as we said before. Yes. It's super energy saving, as we said before,
Because
and
it
there
is
is
in
no
water.
Yes, it with in water. So it means there's no unloading power wasting. As well, we are using the PM motor because now it cannot see it clearly. So we just can say the PM motor can help you save about 2 to 3% electricity because it already has the permanent magnet inside. So there is very save your electricity. Number two, reliable and stable. There it can use it in a heavy duty situation. Number three is VSD style. As Zhang said, a VSD source style can help they protect their factory electricity network. Number four, no noise and no vibration. You can see now the compressor is in one lane, but there is the noise is small compared with the piston compressor. As well, each story will have the more than 10 mm soundproofing enclosure to absorb the noise. Ensure the noise is lower than 75 dBA. As well, we have more than 10 mm. We have more than 10 mm shock pad under the school air compressor and
Yes.
the AM. So it can triangle design triangle design to make sure that it's stable and low vibration.
Yes.
Number 4, easy to maintenance. As we say, all the if they have the maintenance job need to do the maintenance. We will have an alarm here to tell you, wow, it's time to do the maintenance. So they can help. After you do this, you just setting the thermometer. Then you can use it again.
Yes, you're right. So many advantage. So make inquiry right now, and in March we attend the Alibaba March Expo, and we have many big discount sales. And here we have a 4 very big discount activities. The number 1, we have a 10 wholesale model in the big discount. And the number 2, if you buy the air compressor from us, you will get 1 piece air filter, 1 piece oil filter, and 1 piece air oil separator for free.
Yeah, wow, it's so attractive.
Yes.
It is really about the first time maintenance job.
Yes. And the number 3 is that our Wechat lubrication oil, also in a very good price.
Yeah.
And number 4, if you buy anything from us, you get our 2022 VIP card.
Yeah.
And after you buy in the next time, you can enjoy the 5% discount.
Wow, it's so attractive. I can't wait to order it.
Yes, don't miss our activity. It's very attractive,
yes.
right? Okay, so now we are in our customer factory. They are the furniture factory, and the product is the sauna room.
Yes.
Now we will go into their factory and check what machine need to use the compressed air.
Yes.
If you are also the furniture factory, so please follow us.
Yes.
And check. Maybe can give you some idea.
Yes,
Okay.
don't quit our live show.
Yes.
We will give you many surprise and advance at this time.
Yes. So Hongyuan Group, they also has a long history.
Yes, so you can see this is our product, the raw material.
张工，你们多少年了？工厂多少年了？
So you can see this is all our
开了
raw
20年了
material.
但做桑拿大概有15、16年吧。
然后主要出口哪些国家？
Now this factory already have 20 years experience in making the sauna room.
目前来说，不像国内一般都。
Okay, so just now I asked Zhang Gong more detail of Hongyuan Group. They are the more than 20 years old factory, and mainly they produce the sauna room. Okay, we can go to see their product. They produce the sauna room and also the furniture.
Yes.
To this sauna room, they already make more than 60 years or 70 years. And usually their product is exported to the European country. So their product it is very high class and meet the European standard.
Yes. So
Okay.
this one is their final products.
Yes. So maybe if you are interested in their product, you
Yeah.
also can let us know. We can introduce to them. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Let's see what machine they have in their factory and using our compressed air. These two machines are the
This two machine is the spray.
sandpaper machine.
Yes,
Sandpaper machine. 师傅，你有没有什么可以示范一下？
Yes. Oh, we have some samples to show you how
Yes.
this machine is running.
This sandpaper machine, they will use the air to control the belt, to
Yes,
control the sandpaper.
Yes, to control the sandpaper, they are tighten or they are soft.
Yes.
So to ensure the smooth, tough become smooth.
Yes. So now we will ask the worker to
Yes.
show what they will do. So
Yes.
usually the wood it is not smooth,
Yes,
right?
it's tough, and there are many small wood smooth. was smooth and on side. But after this machine, you can get a smooth and there is no wood on side.
OK，这个是吗？等個台機可能。
So please wait for a little moment.
Okay, so you can see that我拿一条没有处理过的。
So
OK，我哋去嗰邊睇睇對比。
yes, you can see this one is after this machine. After this machine,
Very smooth.
it's smooth. But this one is with the raw material before into this machine.
So our compressed air, they will use, for example, the air gun to clean everything they want, right? And also the compressed air will use for control the sandpaper.
Yes, the control the sandpaper.
Okay, so we continue. 从这边吧。
Yes, now we are looking at the furniture factory. We are professional full air compressor suppliers. And now this is our customer factory. So
They are
now
using
looking
is
at
our
37
37.
kilowatt CPM series full air compressor, and the pressure is 8 bar. This 47 kilowatt already can deal with the whole factory. The whole factory machine is maybe now it's about more than 30 machines in this factory.
Yes.
To use the compressed air.
You're right.
Yeah,
So
now,
these three machines is to adjust the wood height.
yes.
For example, you can see this lady, they put the wood. You will find each one the wood height is different.
Yes.
Maybe a 1 cm or the 2 cm is different. But after this machine, they will in the same height.
Yes.
This is after finish. So the compressed air will use for fixing the wood.
Yes.
Use for fix the wood. Okay.
So the next one. You can see that one. That one is also need to use the compressed air. Yes. Okay, you can see this one is the finished product.
Finished product. They contain all the wood, right?
Yes, because they want to make in the start is the wood stick, but now they are become into the paved wood.
The orange pipe is the air pipe, the compressed air pipe. So you will see that the compressed air is used for air gun to cleaning, and the number 2 is used for the air canal.
Air canal.
Right? Air canal to make all the wood to
Stick more tighter.
yes, you're right.
Stick more tighter to ensure there is no leak swallow. No gap swallow in it. Yes, no gap inside. You can
And-
see this one is the raw material, and this one is the final product.
Okay, so I saw a lot of friends who come into our
Yes.
showroom.
Hello,
So even say
hello, our friends. I'm Evan for
Yes.
Holistic Group. We are professional full air compressor, air dryer manufacturing located in Guangdong, China. Welcome to our live show. Today we are coming to our customer factory. It's a furniture factory to see how efficiency of our full air compressor and how good for our CPM series function. As well, we can see there is many machines need to use the compressed air. So for if you are the furniture factory, maybe this slide show can give you many advice and suggestions.
Yes, I also saw one visitor. Hi, Bear, right? Bear. Yes. He is asking, we are the factory or not? Yes, we are the factory to produce the school air compressor. But today we are not in our school air compressor factory. You can watch back our live show before.
Yes.
Today we are in our user factory.
Yes.
Later we will show you our air compressor in their compressor room.
Yes.
So now we continue to go around their factory.
Yes, okay. So please come here. And friends, now we have a very important thing to tell you. It's in the March Expo, we have 4 activities. One is the fitness count for the 10 model sales products. Number 2, buy compressor can get 1 piece oil filter, 1 piece air filter, and 1 piece air oil separator for free. Means it's the first time maintenance. Number 3, our lubrication oil is in a special price. Number 4, the VIP card to get free. It's about 5% discount for your next order.
Yes, you're right. So don't miss any activities and contact us right now. And as you see, in our left side, there are 2 machines. This machine is cutting this processing, right? So we should use our compressed air. We should use our compressed air. As you can see now, this worker, they are using the air gun to blow the wood, the dust.
Yes, the dust, the wooden dust, to clean their machine, ensuring their good efficiency for their machine.
Yes.
So it is necessary to have a compressed air in their factory.
Yes, very important.
Yes.
Actually, 98% the factory need to use the compressed air.
Yes. As well, we are using the compressed air as a pump to make sure they can have a stretch of the wood. Ensure they are cutting to adjust their higher and low. Ensure their cutting is in the same height. So you can see this is all using the compressed air to make a stretch to them, to the wooden, to ensure their cutting is in a smooth as well as in their